Hello students, greetings and welcome to the WordPress Academy.ca live webinar. This week we are looking at the ICEGRAM free plugin. It is a sales and marketing plugin and I think you will really enjoy it. Let's see who we have here this week. We have Mary Smith from New York. Greetings Mary, how are you? Samantha from California. Bridget from France. Wow, fantastic. Jalwinder from New Delhi. It must be the middle of the night over there. We have Hans Schmiedeberg. We have Lee Chan. We have Peter Cummins from London, England. Wonderful. Hello, Peter. We have Bjorn from Holland. And we have Muji from Toronto. Welcome, students. We have more people coming in. I don't want to waste any more time going over the people who are part of this webinar. Let's just get right into it right now. Let's move on to the first slide. The ICEGRAM WordPress plugin. It is a fantastic plugin, and we're going to review it in this free webinar. It is the ultimate plugin to capture leads and call visitors to action. This is a very important theme if you want to, plugin I should say, if you want to promote your website. Thus we are doing this free webinar as a sample webinar that people can join and they can learn more about what we do at WordPress Academy and how we teach people how to put their website online and sell online or promote their business online. And it's fantastic. But let's go over the product highlights and advantages. You can access and download the plugin at ICEGRAM.com. That's www.icegram.com. The plugin is excellent for all kinds of sales and marketing in WordPress. It is free, so it doesn't cost you anything. It has extensive options for design and colors. It's no obtrusive logo on your products. This is very important. We don't want people to see the product logo, and the free version does not have any logo. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. It is mobile friendly, so it works with cell phones. That's very, very important because, as you are well aware, Google has recently notified the world that they will no longer index any websites that are not mobile phone friendly. So if your website is not ready for cell phones, you will not be indexed. Oops, I'm sorry, we went back. Let's go. There we go. This is number 3, slide number 3. Let's go over the product highlights and advantages. It integrates seamlessly and easily with your existing WordPress theme. It is highly customizable to almost any design. It's very important because whatever design you have, you can easily integrate this into the existing design. It works better than most paid plugins. Even a theme or plugin that costs $10. Why pay $10 when you can get this free and it does the job? There are, however, paid upgrades for this plugin. We'll talk about those later. There will be a course available, a paid course where we will, as a class, as a group, we will go over this. Right now we're not going to do this together. I'm going to do a demonstration. I'm going to review this plugin and we're going to see how it works. I will do a brief explanation. I will do a brief overview of how it works, and you will see how it works, but we're trying to keep it within the 20-minute limit. Great support for even the free version. There are many ways to extend and add on features, and it is simple to understand and easy to use. This is a very intuitive plugin. I highly recommend it. That is why we are reviewing it now. Let's go to slide number 4. What we will review. We will look at the main plugin interface. You will see it live, working on my computer. I have downloaded, I have installed WordPress on my local machine, and I will be running it. You will be able to see it, so you get a feel for it even before you download it and install it as a plugin and start to run it. I will review some of the basics on how to use it. I will do some very, very basic changes to the sample project that is given with it, and hopefully you can learn to use it yourself. We will look at the sample project and how it works, and we will examine both the good and bad features. Now, it's very hard to find a plugin that is absolutely perfect. Usually most of them have 80 to 90%. This one is about 90-95%. It's very, very good. It has lots of good features. There are a few problems. which I was not able to resolve, I will contact technical support. We will see for the paid class if we can resolve some of the flaws that I found in it. We will look at what works and what doesn't work. We will look at the simple to understand and easy to use way that it functions. We will discuss why you need this plugin for beginning your WordPress advertising and marketing. It is not enough that you build a website. If nobody can find it, you will not be known. It is very, very important that you promote your website, and we at WordPress Academy teach you how to do that. Let's look at slide number 5. Here we are. We will have a look at the WordPress plugin working right now. So let me go from the PowerPoint presentation, and let me switch over right now. All right, here we are. We are now in WordPress 4.3. I have installed it on my computer. I am working on it locally. And if you would like to learn how to work on WordPress locally, how to install WordPress on your local machine, that will be the subject of another 10-15 minute video. We will not be covering that in this video, so hopefully you've already set up WordPress so that it can be installed, and it is installed on your local machine. Right now we have installed WordPress 4.3. You'll see right here WordPress 4.3. It's on localhost WordPress _43 WP admin plugins PHP. Now right now I'm looking at the plugins directory, and you see here ICEGRAM, all-in-one solution to inspire, convert, and engage your audiences, action bars, pop-up windows, messengers, toast notifications, and more. Awesomeness, awesome theme, and powerful rules. And right now there is a version 1.96. I have installed another version 1.95, and there is a possibility of updating. Furthermore, at the top there is something which I have not clicked on. Claim your ICEGRAM bonuses today, 17 themes and analytics add-on for free. Yes, let's begin. No, I don't like these bonuses. Personally, I would do the let's begin. We're going to cover both of these in this brief video. We won't go into detail on them, but we will cover them in this video. So let's just click on, first off, let's look at the let's begin. And we're going to go to the ICEGRAM product website. And unfortunately, I'm not able to connect to the internet right now, so I'm not going to do that. We're going to go back, and we will go to new version of ICEGRAM available. We'll also do that later on. I'm not connected to the internet on this machine right now at this time, so we will not do that just right now. In fact, what we will do is we will focus just exclusively on the ICEGRAM product actually running. We will actually get involved in ICEGRAM. Now that is right over here, and you'll see if we look on the left-hand side of the screen, on the menu, you'll see ICEGRAM has been installed. There's nothing else installed right now in this version of ICEGRAM. It's a very good program. I've checked it out previously. However, this is a new installation just for the sake of teaching you in this training session. And we look at the items that are listed in the menu: campaigns, add new campaign, messages, docs and support, settings, and add-ons. Now, just so you know, this is the free version. And let's just look at campaigns so we can check out the free version. We'll look at the top item. And we're going there now. And you'll see I have made a copy of the first ICEGRAM campaign. Now, the first ICEGRAM campaign comes pre-installed with ICEGRAM. It's very good. In order to help you learn, they do a campaign for you already. So if we click on that, that's a draft. We can look at it. I've done a copy of it because I wanted to play around with it. And here's the screen that appears. You can see edit campaign, add new campaign. You see the name of the campaign. Let's just go over the screen very briefly. We see a message. Now the interface is very intuitive. You should be able to handle this campaign very, very easily. You should be able to handle this plugin very, very easy. Basically, everything that you want will probably be in the campaign section, campaigns. Let's just go over very briefly all that is there. You see a message, and you can create a new message. You see, you click on the down arrow, and you see a new action bar, new messenger, a new pop-up, or a new toast. We will actually do some of those later on. You can click preview. The preview button is right here. Now, this is for when you have a button already installed. And as you can see, we have a first ICEGRAM campaign. Let's actually click on the preview and have a look what happens. I've clicked on it, and we are now going to go over to the preview. Now here we go. We have one item here, another item over here, another item here, and we're about to, there we go, another item right here. So we have everything which is installed in this first campaign. We have something at the top, which, by the way, you click here and you can hide this. And we have a menu here, and we have one here. And let's go back to the main screen. And that's how it works. Now, right now, we can have the show when we move down to the next line. You see that we're looking at the action bar. That's what this is. And we can change the type of item that we're putting, but we can also adjust the number of seconds it takes to actually display. And this is the edit button, and this is the delete button. Let's click on the edit button. Now you'll see here we have an action bar. Now here's the timing. You have an action bar, a messenger, a pop-up, and a toast. We have show after 0 seconds, 4 seconds, 10 seconds, and 6 seconds. And of course, to edit them, we have the button right here, and to delete them, we have right here. Let's actually click off of those. And we can go and just click on something up here. Oh, that isn't going to disappear, so let's just leave that. Now here's the targeting rules. This is where you want the item to appear. It can either be in the whole site, the home page, selected pages, or specific URLs on the site. And of course, we can insert the ICEGRAM campaign shortcode wherever we want to run the campaign. That is also possible. And as it turns out, it actually writes it down. It's ICEGRAM campaign number 5. Actually shows it, so you can just copy and paste that by just clicking on it. This is a sample page. We're not going to do that. We could change that. We're not going to get into the details of actually making this work yet. We're just looking at this plugin. Now, when do we want it to appear? Always, or we could schedule it to appear from one date to another date. If we click here, we can actually see this will appear. It will actually appear on the days that we require it to display. Of course, I'll put it back to always. Now, on the device, we have desktop, tablet, or cell phone. It will automatically adjust to accommodate these devices. Well, you can have it appear for all users who are logged into the site, logged in on the site only, or all users who are not logged in. Also, we can retarget. Once shown, do not show this campaign again for, and you can select the number of sessions. Never, today, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years. Once CTA is clicked, do not show this campaign again for. So what this is for is if you click on it once, will it show again? And as it in its default form, once they click it once, it will never show again. So that is the campaign that we have. Now, of course, we have over here on the publish part of the site, we can save a draft, we can edit the draft, visibility, public, publish immediately, move to trash. Now, it is right now not published, you see, so in order to publish it, I would click on publish and it would become a published campaign. Let's click on campaigns again, and we will see, there we go. First campaign copy. I was playing around with the campaign here, so let's go over here and let's look at the first campaign again. Now here you're seeing the visual window and the text window, which would appear. Let's go back to this. And we see the type. You see you have all 4 types listed right here. And we have the different themes that are listed. You see they're all listed here. Some are available in only in the free version. Some are available in the paid version. I'm not sure which, but there's different themes which can, of course, be customized. There's animation. You can have it slide in or appear. Headline. You can have a headline here, or you can get another headline, get 2x more contacts with your website. The message body. Now you can add, of course, media, and we can upload files. We will not do that right now. Of course, we have the visual and the HTML editors, WYSIWYG editors, bold, italics, and I'm not going to describe how to use the WYSIWYG editor. You can, of course, paste this HTML in. However, it may strip your code to comply to the WordPress WYSIWYG editor requirements. We won't get into that, how to fix that problem right now, but basically there is a basic WYSIWYG editor. You can use an opt-in subscription or lead capture form. If we click on this, you will see you have different styles. I'm just going to briefly go over those. You see some different styles here. Left, right, bottom, or inline, background color, text, form, embed code, show labels above fields, button label, show me how, target link. Now this is where you would put the link on the button, which right now is blank, which you could put a blank, this code right here, and it would be live, but it would not go anywhere. Colors, you can use the theme, the theme colors that come with this, or you can use the customizable theme colors, and there it will show you the position. I'm going to take that off. Now the button label, target link, we've already covered a lot of this. Now you see the other items here, which of course you can edit any of these items that you want to by clicking on the little pen right here, and you can actually see what it would look like. So again, to view the campaign, you could click on preview or save the draft. This is if you want to preview it only, and this is if you want to save it. Let's actually go back to campaigns, and let's look at the first campaign copy, the one I've done here. Again, you can edit the campaign, you can delete the campaign, or you could duplicate the campaign. I am going to edit the campaign by clicking on it. There we go. And you see I have a pop-up here. You see what it looks like. You see I could change the style of it. Let's just preview it. And if we look at the top of the screen, we're seeing a preview window has appeared. There we go. Now this is rather large right now. If I wanted to make it smaller, I can change it by going back to the screen, and I can change the text here, change the size of it. Now unfortunately it doesn't let you change the size of the screen. In order to change the size of this, you would have to change the size of your text. And also it does not let you change the button here as well. I believe you can only change what the button says. Here's the target link, free access, and use themes default colors. I'm just going to change a little bit of this right now. I'm just going to change the target link. I'm going to change the button color. I'll just show you how that works. I'm going to change it to a sky blue. And now we're going to look at this. Now, but before I do, I want you to see that what is happening with this. Now, right now, it wraps this website, earns over $30,000 a month, every single month, almost on autopilot. Now, unfortunately, it does not allow you to change the size of this pop-up. It will size itself according to what you view. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to go and preview it here. There it is. Now it will not resize this. This pop-up window will resize, and the text will resize. In fact, everything will resize to accommodate whatever device you're viewing it on. Right now I'm viewing it on a window of a computer, so I am obviously seeing it full size. You see I've changed the color to blue. Now let's put it back. Let's close this. Let's go back to here. And let's go back and change the color that we just changed. Instead of sky blue, let's go back and change it to a green and preview it. Now, I haven't saved this. Note that I have not saved it. And the text appears in there. You see the green. Now, this is a very good plugin. It's very simple, very easy to use, very intuitive. I highly recommend it. We could preview actually all of the different items here. Let's work on the pop-up. And let me see what else I have here. Oh, I've actually deleted on this one, on this copy. I've deleted the other item. So let's go back to add new. Let's go back to campaigns. And let's actually edit the campaign. Let's duplicate this. Now, this is the way you want to do it if you want to learn that this is copy 2. I'm going to change first ICEGRAM campaign copy 2. No, not 22, 2. And I'm going to change this. You see two contacts with your site actions. There we go. Now to change this, we're going to Messenger. We're going to change. Let's just work on the Messenger copy. Now let me preview the Messenger. Actually, this will preview everything, because in this one I did not delete the different aspects. Let's just go over to here. And here we have everything, and in a few seconds, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, from what I understand, this is a pop-up. I'm not really sure exactly what this is. Let's go back here. Then we have several things. We have a pop-up, a toast, and a messenger. Exclusive marketing report. Let's go back to that, and I think that would be this over here. 2 times contacts with your website. Let's go back. And that is what we're working. That is the action bar. This is called an action bar. And this is, of course, the pop-up. %20 off is the messenger. Here's the pop-up. And the messenger that says 20% off coupon. This is it right here. And that other small item over here, that was probably the other item, which is the, what is it called? The toast, exclusive marketing report, which quite frankly, I don't see it all that well. Click here and it slides up. Of course, click here and it slides down, I think. Yep, that's how it works. And we can close all of this off. So that's a quick preview. These 4 items are available. It has all of the 4 items in the free version. If you wanted to add a new campaign, you would come over to here and you would be able to add a new campaign, which I'm not going to do. And messages will go here. Now, these are all the messages that are included in your, for everything actually, which you can work on independently. You can see 2 times contacts with your website, 20% off coupon. And here is the exclusive marketing report, which is a toast. And I don't know if it really shows all that well. I don't think it does. However, the pop-up works very well. All of the other items work extremely well. Now, here is the docs and report. You can buy extra items for this plugin. In fact, I recommend that you try this. As it says, it has an action bar, a messenger, a toast notification, and a pop-up. I do recommend you buy the add-ons, which are right over here at the bottom. Right now, there are no add-ons currently available. You can get an analytics add-on for free, which we will try to. I will do another video very briefly, which will cover downloading and installing the Analytics 17 themes and Analytics add-on for free. I will do that in another video. And let's go over to settings. ICEGRAM settings, you see share, ICEGRAM, show powered by link, cache friendly. Free add-ons, proven marketing tricks and updates, get add-ons and tips. Now, in order to obviously do this, you need to put in your name and your email, and you need to subscribe. Housekeeping, remove all ICEGRAM shortcodes, remove all ICEGRAM campaigns and messages, and clean up. If you're going to uninstall ICEGRAM, this is what you'd want to click on. So it's really very simple, the settings. Well, we're going to actually try out ICEGRAM. Perhaps for a prop-up or two. We'll try that in the next video. This is a brief introduction to ICEGRAM, and I encourage you to try it out yourself. Download it and install it from WordPress.com. Thank you very much. Take care, and come again. Bye for now.